me block you out. Let me block you. Yeah. Look what it is. Look what it is. This car is way too fast for you.
Hi.
I can't see you because you're too black.
I know. Yeah, I got it.
You got me?
Yes.
No, now you just look creepy.
Nah, yeah, you look creepy.
So what's up? Who are you trying to run today? Who are you running?
Everybody.
Everybody? All right.
I'm probably gonna get Gap, but it's for
And I'm not gonna lie, one of them's the fastest NA one in South Florida.
What?
Well, we're here racing Turbo Kit. Just got tuned again by Martin. It's too bright. It's too bright. Today we're gonna. I haven't done race content in months, so today I'm bringing you guys a single turbo 370Z trying to run absolutely everybody in the world. You're letting me drive your car? You sure?
Yeah, you sure? You're not gonna lose control.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
100%. Don't worry.
Oh my God! What the?
Oh yeah, you.
Oh God!
Yeah, you're so tough.
Oh my God! What? Bruh, I can't even sit in here, man. What?
Oh yeah, it's a bucket seat. That's
Oh my! Is it adjustable at least?
No.
Oh.
No such thing as adjustable bucket seat.
What do I do? A 20?
Yeah, if you want.
Okay.
If you can handle it. Ready?
Okay, we'll find out.
And go.
Okay, I'm sorry, Carl.
You good? You good? Check. There you go.
Oh, there's a little delay.
Yeah. Jesus. Holy fuck! How fast you rolling?
130, bro! Brother! This is the fastest dang trick technology 37 I've ever driven in my life, I tell you that! Dude, I suck at paddle shifting. That was
No,
fucking.
you good. Yeah, you were like, what?
I was like, what? And, oh, Lord. Dude, but this thing looks pretty good.
We're having a sport that way.
Not bad, dude.
You like it?
I can get people while drinking tea, bro! Oh, my God. Pero, mami, oh, my God. Oh. Look, I'm not talking about automatics ever again. It's so simple.
Hey, that was exactly me. I'm not gonna lie. Like I hated them, and then as soon as I tried it, dude, it was pretty.
This is. I mean, I fit like a freaking.
Yeah, you feel like a.
I look like I'm.
This man.
I'm dying. Yeah, like backs. I feel like a sardine.
Nice kneecaps.
Yeah, thank you. Right. I'm proud of you, man. This car is awesome, dude.
Thanks, brother.
It's actually the first automatic VHR I've got to drive in my life ever.
Awesome.
So
I'm glad that it was mine.
Yeah, dude. Good experience.
Only thing is though, now good luck trying to find something else that's gonna impress you.
Nah, I'm good. What? I get to ride in the fast car? What?
This is what happens when you have a slow G37 sedan and you got kids on the way. You gotta borrow your friend's 370.
Why is it hurting me right now? Leave me alone.
This boy said you're a father on the
Wait,
way. Whatever, let's see how this thing does, man. It's my first ride in a single turbo Z ever. Jesus. What the freak, Carl? You gotta. Oh my God, you gotta warn me, bro. Oh my God,
This
bro.
guy, man.
What the, dude? Once the boost hit, I was like,
Yeah, right.
my face. I was like, what? I hope I got my face on reaction because. Jesus, Carl, what the hell? Yo, this thing is fast. 1, 2, 3.
Heads cam C706. Like 20%. You do the 60?
I'll do whatever, bro. 60 though.
Heads cam 06, 60 roll.
Flying on the noir, you know what I mean?
Huh?
C6?
C7. Wait,
C7,
C7, my bad. C7.
Yeah, supercharged.
What do you think our chances are?
None?
You guys gonna get Gap all the way to Gap.
So I just found out that I didn't even know, to be honest. I'm not too knowledgeable of Corvette. He is. He loves these.
Yes.
They apparently make over 600 horsepower, what, factory?
Yes, they make like 650 crank with a supercharge. Like they come supercharged from factory, and they're C7s, the Z06. And now we're racing a f***ing heads cam one.
Long story short, I'm gonna enjoy the nice view of the taillights we're about to get.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, for sure.
That thing's making at least 7, like at least.
Wow.
Heads cam, bro. That's like 800.
Bro, I had to cover my ear. I was like, ah!
You know, realistically, that's almost double a horsepower, right?
Wow.
Little.
You down to try a 40? Yeah.
Dude.
Yo, you're fast as hell, dude.
I have to be making at least 7.
How much are you making? 600? 860.
What? We're making 450.
450 horsepower.
Give me the hit.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Yo, come on.
60, baby. All right, you ready, bro? That guy gave us the gap.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Bro, the man is making 860, bro.
Yeah, well, you can't
Whose
make...
idea was this?
This is... You accepted this!
I accept it, but I was not expecting this, you know?
Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw him get that close, I almost, like, my black pants almost got filled with brown stuff. Alright, so, well, unfortunately, it's starting to rain right now, and... Wow, language, bro.
Oh,
this is a family channel.
Monetized, bro.
Lewis and Carl are supposed to line up with the fastest NA Coyote down here, Gen 3, but it's now starting to rain, and I hope, yeah, it's starting to rain harder, bro. We might have to head to the other Mexico. Don't get mad.
Yes. Oh, God.
Don't get mad. The Mustang, he blew his drive shaft.
How?
I don't know.
How did you break your drive shaft right now? No, you serious?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Wait, wasn't he getting
Oh,
told?
come on. You can turn it off, Lewis. Shut it off.
We need race content, Carl.
Okay, well, we out.
Who we running? Who we running?
Oh,
look,
nah.
Andy's right here.
Carlitos.
Right now, at this point, I don't care if I win. I don't care if I lose. Not you, anyone, bro. Like, I'm about to race these niggas myself, bro. At this point.
I mean, wait, no, we need good. We need good.
Vamos a aquel acá. Bang, bang, hey, hold my candy, bro.
Hold my candy, bro.
Hold my candy.
Yo, hashtag hold my candy, bro. Yo, how are you getting 20 miles per gallon in this thing right now?
85. And I drive like a grandma. I drive like a grandma.
Yeah, we gotta get that 20.
You sure?
Yeah, bro.
All right, let's do it.
I can. My slave went out. My slave went out.
It just died right now? I know you love Corvettes, and that thing sounds hard, dog.
It really does sound good, but I'm not gonna lie, like, it's not looking too good for us.
But it's okay, you're gonna look good doing it. Look at all this carbon fiber. And those waves, dog. He misshifted. But hey, what a good run though. I love that Corvette.
Yeah.
And I know you're creaming your pants.
You know what's crazy right now? I'm shocked. You know why?
Why?
I shifted fifth really slow because I felt I felt it kind of grind. So I shifted kind of slow, and then I'm like,
into your elbow while you were shifting?
No, listen, I was too focused, bro. I was like, listen.
Oh Lord. Six gang, baby, let's go! But no disrespect, again, I actually love that Corvette a lot.
I was not expecting that.
At all. A good race. Damn.
Bro, Lewis's rev limit is at 8K.
That was a sick race. I'm gonna tag his Instagram if he wants, but that's
no, listen, I can actually run him faster.
Really?
Lewis' rev limit is at 8K. I'm shifting at 7.5. I'm gonna tell him let's run it again.
Literally, it's 1 for 1 right now. This is it. This is it. And now they switched the driver to someone else. He has driver mod. He drives really good. So be ready.
He's automatic, bro. The difference when I shift
8K now,
8K,
yeah.
yep.
That was it.
Yep.
And dude, that's stock suspension, passenger in this car.
20-inch wheels.
That's a lighter chassis. This car has 20-inch wheels. I'm not gonna lie, when we first were talking about this, I thought Lewis's car was gonna get like super gap.
No, like that's what I'm telling you. Trust me, I know it has potential. That's exactly why we're out here, because I'm telling you, car's tuned by Martin. It has proper mods. It has everything that it needs. All it needs is a fuel return. With the fuel return, we're not even gonna be racing somebody like him. We're gonna be racing somebody like him with a blow. Because it's gonna be fast, seriously. Like, you know, I don't lie, so it's like, trust me. It was a good road regardless, though. I love this, man.
We out here, so we're gonna regroup with everybody. I think that, I don't know if that's it for tonight. He's saying we got the hit, so one more.
Turbo.
I'm proud of this car. It's doing pretty well. He's still on stock suspension and 20-inch wheels, and he's slowly trying to get it more race ready. Thank you to the guy with the C6 for actually running it, coming through. I know I haven't posted race content in months, but it was nice to be out here. It was really, see, these were probably some of the closest races I've had. Also, I want to let you guys know that we have the Vibe Out Ride Out, but this one's the toy drive. It's this Saturday, December 14th. We're meeting up in Kendall, driving all throughout Miami. It's gonna be pretty sick. Like, subscribe. Do you want to do it? You want to close it out, or are you too ashamed of it?
I'm not kissing the camera.
You want to just do it?
I'm not kissing the camera.
Kiss.